A and the, three of the most common words in English. Today we learn exactly when to use each one with nouns. Small words, huge importance. In Chapter 6, we learned how nouns work as subjects and objects. Today we zoom in on something that comes just before a noun, the article. An article is a word that sits before a noun. In English, we have just three articles, a, an, and the. Each one tells the listener something different about the noun. Articles come in two types. A and an are indefinite articles. They refer to any one thing. The is the definite article. It refers to one specific thing both speaker and listener know about. Use a before nouns that start with a consonant sound, a book, a car, a dog, a house, a tree. And here's a surprise, a university, because it starts with a U sound, not a vowel sound. Use an before nouns that start with a vowel sound, A, E, I, O, U. An apple, an egg, an idea. And another surprise, an hour, because the H is silent and it sounds like hour. Remember, it's about the sound, not the spelling. University starts with a vowel letter, but a consonant sound, so we say a university. Hour starts with a consonant letter, but a vowel sound, so we say an hour. Use the when both the speaker and listener know exactly which thing is meant. Close the door. There's only one door. The sun. There's only one. The movie we watched. Both of you know which one. Here's a key rule. The first time you mention something, use a or an. The second time, use the, because now both speaker and listener know which one. Sometimes we use no article at all. With general plural nouns, dogs are loyal, not the dogs. With people's names and most country names, no article needed. This is called the zero article. Most country names need no article. India, France, Japan. But some countries always take the United States, the United Kingdom, the Netherlands, the Philippines. Why? They contain plural or descriptive words. We always use the with things that are unique. There is only one of them. The sun, the moon, the earth, the ocean, the wind, the universe. Only one exists, so we say the. Always use the with superlatives, the tallest, the best, the highest, because a superlative describes the one that stands above all others. There can only be one best, so we use the. Game time. Fill in the blank, a, an, or the. I want to be blank astronaut. Think about the sound the next word starts with. In astronaut, astronaut starts with the vowel sound a, so we use an. A astronaut sounds wrong and is incorrect. Always listen to the sound. Next, blank Nile is the longest river in the world. Which article completes the sentence? Think, is the Nile general or specific? The Nile. There is only one Nile River. It's specific and unique. We always use the with names of rivers, mountain ranges, and oceans. The Nile, the Himalayas, the Pacific. 4 very common article mistakes. An engineer, not a engineer. The best, not just best. No article with most country names. And the moon, not a moon, because there's only one. Here's your complete article guide. A for consonant sounds, and for vowel sounds. The for specific and unique things. And sometimes no article at all. And that's Chapter 7. A, an, and the are 3 of the most used words in English. Master these and your sentences will sound natural and correct. See you in Chapter 8, the gender of nouns.